So our biggest concerns going into this evening are going to be heavy rain and those gusting winds. So localized flooding possible, particularly to the south. We have this low threat for tornadoes. Our environment just really isn't conducive for tornadoes, particularly not a tornado outbreak. So we've got this flood watch right now going on for Ross, Pike, and I believe that's Fayette County. Again, we're going to see some heavier rainfall to the south. Haven't picked up a whole lot right now. It looks like at best Washington Courthouse is just shy of 0.4 of an inch. Some areas have picked up a few hundredths. We do have more rain on the way. We also have seen this wind advisory extended and expanded. So this will be until 6 a.m. as we are seeing some high wind gusts out there. It looks like Marion seeing wind gusts up to 37 miles per hour. But we're all feeling that. You can see it as we step outside. The biggest part of this threat is down to the south, particularly Mississippi and Alabama. We still have a couple of tornado warnings down there as well. You can see this line of storms, though. It looks like it's starting to kind of fall apart as it pushes through the state of Alabama. And of course, it's also weakening as it pushes north. We've got some really dry air here that it's encountered. We're still seeing some heavier pockets of rainfall within the system throughout central Ohio, though. We're going to continue to see rain and thunderstorms overnight. We'll fall to 56 for those morning lows. So models are actually backing off on some of these thunderstorms as we head through the evening. Definitely going to see some widespread rain, waking up to scattered showers. Looks like a better chance of some thunderstorms as we go into those early morning hours tomorrow. This will continue into the afternoon as well. Of course, we'll see this start to fizzle out. And then look, there's that chance of some flurries as we head into the evening. Again, this won't be widespread or impactful, and we'll finally see that sunshine again as we head into Monday. I mentioned we still have a lot of rain on the way. Some areas look to pick up another 3/4 of an inch or so. So it's not over and done yet, especially where you're seeing those heavier pockets of rain. Now for tomorrow, some of eastern Ohio is now and still going to carry this level 1 risk into particularly the morning hours. So we've got a lot left to watch. We'll see temperatures drop for your St. Patrick's Day down into the 50s. A warming trend into Wednesday, then a strong cold front comes in for your first day of spring, and we may see a rain-snow mix that day.